Hi everyone, it's Dee's. How is everyone doing? I have been better. I am battling a chest cold. So I'm going to try and get through this. I have a unboxing, unpackaging / review to do. And this is from newcraftday. So I'm going to get right into it and hopefully not lose my voice anymore than I have already. I have my water and I have some anti-cold as an emergency. I've been looking forward to getting this in. Get everything out first. So, diamond painting and accessories this time around. Okay, let's look through the accessories first, and then I just have 2 diamond paintings. So, as some of you know, I'm getting right into diamond painting and cross stitching, and I thought I needed a bigger drill tray. So, I got a pink tray and a yellow tray. I need something bright and happy to cheer me up. So that is a beautiful colour for cheering up. So these trays have lids and you can use both sides. So that is great. Only thing is with these type of trays, you just need to hold your hand there or your finger over the spout there, just while you're shaking the drills around. Some trays have stoppers, but I just wanted one with a lid, and they store really well too. So they're a nice size, and you know, I can work with 2 colours at a time that way as well, I thought. I actually thought they would be more silicone, to be honest, but these are more of a hard plastic. And the pink one's just the same, but in a beautiful pastel pink. So, very practical. Okay, and the next thing now, what were these called? I'm just looking at these are just a diamond painting pen kit. Now, I think there is something missing on those. Just check the bag. Yep, there is something definitely missing. These are supposed to be, it's a pink and a yellow diamond painting pen kit. So you have the pen, the tips and the clay. And the clay is missing. So yeah, I will definitely email them and tell them they were not included. But I do like the pens. That's unfortunate. I don't like when that happens, but things like that happen. So just keep communication open, I would say, and email them and let them know. This is more sort of between a gold and yellow. And it's got the single placer, and this might be a 6 placer or a 4 placer maybe. Not sure. And it feels really nice. Nice and light. So that's that one, and I'll just open the pink one. I received this package this morning and I thought, before I get any worse, my voice, I never know, sometimes I completely lose it and then it will come back for a while. It's sort of half gone this morning, so I thought I'd better sit down and record this. And look at that, isn't it pretty? Beautiful pastel pink, again with a single placer and a multi-placer on the end. I'm a bit down that I didn't get the clay or wax, because I'm pretty sure I ordered it a while ago. They asked me to review and I chose the, I'm pretty sure you get the yellow wax and a pink wax matching the pens. So, never mind, I will email them. Okay, let's go to the diamond paintings. So this, this is a partial special drill diamond painting of a snowman. If you know me, you know I love snowmen. And I'll say it again, I don't think it's too early to think about Christmas. It's already almost October, and especially if you're overseas or you're thinking of, ordering online, you don't want to wait till the last minute. So these will take me, I've got a lot of projects going at once, cross-stitching and all sorts, so I can switch between all of them, and yeah, a lot of them are Christmas related, so I'll have plenty of time and I won't be pushed to have to hurry up to finish them. So I can't wait to start this snowman. Beautiful. It's 30 by 40 and let's see, 9 different pretty special drills, which are like gems on this one. And it's always a good idea before you start a painting, diamond painting, a couple of days before maybe, just take the sheet off and sort of relax these folds or any creases by doing this. And also then you can sit it on a table and place something large on there, like a clean cutting board or something, and put some books on there and then just flatten the canvas out that way. And you get your usual tray, wax and pen. And let's have a look at the special drills. My throat's a little bit dry, so just excuse me while I take a sip of water. Okay, so very Christmassy colours. Beautiful red. And this is sort of clear with all those beautiful colours on the surface. You shift them around and they change colour. Beautiful. This one's the same but a green. Shifts to blues and yellows. Goldy yellow. Very nice. And this is white, and it has a beautiful finish on the top as well. It changes colour. Lovely Christmas green. Another orange. These actually look slightly not so shiny. Maybe they just need a little bit of dusting when you finish the project. And the same with the red. I can see a few scratches on the backs of those. So there's a few that aren't so good in this, but hopefully there's enough to cover the painting. And then this is the clear. So the last couple of colours, not so shiny and bright, but the rest are nice, and I'm sure it will look nice when it's finished. Sometimes some of the drills and gems can get a bit dusty. So what I do is, I wouldn't clean these ones because I have the metallic backing. You can wash your drills if you're doing, the round resin type drills or the square ones. You can wash them and dry them, but I would just suggest getting a lint-free cloth after you've finished your painting, and then just gently wipe over, and that might shine them up a bit. Just go slow and just be very gentle with it. Now this one here, the last one. Looking forward to doing this one as well. And they have bagged all the drills. This is round drill, so that's great. Saves a lot of time, and then you can reuse the bags. You get your normal pen and wax kit with the tray. And let's have a look at this. Oh yes, I'm going to enjoy doing this one. Now this is 40 by 50 centimetres. It has 20 colours. And hopefully it won't be too glary for you, but you can see at the forefront there is a huge Christmas tree. So it's just a Christmas scene in a village. Sorry, I was just going to cough then. And look at that moon. Isn't it beautiful? And I love the night lights of the buildings. So I'm really looking forward to starting this one. And you can see some children playing. There's a snowman at the bottom and lots of snow. Yeah. Beautiful lamp over here. So that is it. All the beautiful colours. So thank you, newcraftday, for allowing me to review your products. And I am going to go and see my son. I think we're just going to have a small lunch. He's moving interstate, which is a bit sad. I've been a little bit teary, but don't tell him that. He's cleaning his house that he has been living in, he's going to rent that out. So while they're moving interstate for a while, hopefully it'll only be temporary. But everyone I know that said they're only going to be for a couple of years, they'll end up there permanently. But anyway, we'll see. And yeah, I'm just going to go over to the house and have some lunch with him, and I might mop the floors for him and then leave it to him to finish up. He's staying at my house the last 2 or 3 nights, so in the morning he will be leaving. So anyway, I hope I sound better than next video. I haven't been making a real lot of them. As I said, this cold's really throwing me around a little bit. So I do apologise if I haven't been watching and commenting on everyone's videos that I normally do. I've just been so fatigued, and I have watched some, but I haven't been commenting too much, so, or at all really. But anyway, it will get better. So thank you so much. I will leave the link to all the products in the description along with their website. Okay, and just one moment. Okay, I just had to check to see if there's discount codes available, and I'm pretty sure there is. If there is, it will be in the description below. The last time it was 10% off, and the code is Turtle10, but I will definitely leave that in the description for you to have a look at as well, okay? So do go and check them out. They have so many products. I love all this sort of thing. I'm so glad I'm getting into diamond painting and cross-stitching, and there's a lot more. So thanks so much for watching, everyone. Take care, and we will see you next time. Bye for now.